We did it. Oh, that's a lot, right? Yeah, 12? Okay. What do we normally get? 5 for 10? 12? That seems pretty good. $12 spins. Okay. Well, at least it made a line as well, I guess. Alright. So we just want mad fishes. So we can upgrade. Fishes and re-triggers. Do a big one. Oh. More than 2 a spin would be good. Re-triggers and lots of fishes. Are we gonna get to keep 3 this time? Yes, okay. We need re-triggers, please. Oh. Oh. Well then. Fortunately, those octopuses don't touch, but we get 4 of them. That's good. Haven't had a single re-trigger yet, though. Or, like, added spin. Alright, we upgrade to 2x. And we get 2 more spins. So we've only used 3 spins as of now, then. We want some re-triggers. We want some re-triggers, baby. Every time we get a free spin symbol, we get an extra spin in the bonus. Do that big club. Oh. Okay. 20 more fish though is a lot. Oh. Could have went up there and done one in the front of the frog. Give us another spin. Where are the spins, my dude? That's pretty ass too. Not even gonna lie. How do we ever get all the way up to 10x? Man, that's a max, huh? That's the only way you max it. Big. Do the big ones. Big. Fuck, you little prick. Like, we need what? Do those already count? Yeah. 16 more and... Oh, there's a spin. Okay. Do that big... Do the big spade. Do the big spade. Do the big spade. Oh, yeah, fucker. So what do we need? 12 more and 5 spins. Yeah, we need to get either more free spins or more than only 2 a spin. Big. Bitch. Come on. We need some more free spins, please. Big one, big one, big one, big one. Why are you so cheap and skeezy? 10 more in 3 spins? That's seeming harder and harder to do. I felt like we were at 11 and we got 2 fish. Did they not both count? No big squares. No big squares at all. I feel like we're getting skeezed out. No big square again. We have to get a free spin on the next 3 spins. Or hit a whole bunch of fishes. No, we gotta hit a free spin pretty much. We gotta get a free spin right here. Or the 1 spin we have left. Oh, off by 1? Free spin, free spin, free spin. No, we're dead. Oh my god. I was... Oh, this time we only got 10 spins, though. Instead of 12. We did worse. We did worse on that one. We need big squares, and we need free spins. That's what we need. Do a big one. Do a big one. Do another big one. Okay. Even just 1 is better than getting 2 small ones, obviously. Free spin now? No. 1 big one. Do the big one. Do the big one. Do the big one. Oh. Ass. Hi. Hi, you. Big, 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 big. Okay, good. Oh man, it's too bad that wasn't with a multi on it. Woo! Sheesh, that's the juice, huh? Is the octopus the biggest symbol? Damn, alright, there's half the mono buyback. Okay. Can we upgrade as well? We get the multi now. So we got 7 spins to get 25 fishes or some more free spins. Vials are huge. If we can get some vials, that's huge. Do the big purple fish. Oh. But we also really need him to not just only do the 2 little fish. Vial. Vial, vial, vial. Oh. Two big ones. 1 big one. Okay. We need some extra spins here. Retrig. Big. Do the big. Yes. Okay, okay, okay. That's actually huge. Now we just need 10 fish and 4. I mean, it's still a little hard, but it's looking more possible. This is a full line now. Beautiful. Full line of wilds. Oh, we're profit now, baby. That's at least 1 or 2 full lines of wilds only. Yeah, this gotta be more than the last pay, and then times 2. Oh, she's squirting now, baby. Okay, oh, it's just a little less, but times 2. Give me that big old whale. Do the big one. Do the big one. Do a big one. Do a big one. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. All right, that's huge. I think we're guaranteed to get to that level now. Yeah, we are, because we get 2 every spin, guaranteed. So we have to upgrade now anyways. Okay, we'll take that. Do another big one right here, and let's upgrade early. Small and then big. Do big, do big, do big. Yes! Good wizard. You're beautiful, fishy. And we get 2 spins again? Yep, okay. But then we need 30 fish. Jeez, you gotta hit some really big spins. Oh, we needed the perps up front there. Let's do another $10 line pay here. Do a big one, do a big one, do a big one, do a big one, do a big one. Oh. We need some extra free spins. Big, 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 big. No. Bastard. We need a free spin here. Come on. Nothing? No. Drop in a little free spin, baby. Big. Yes. Alright. We're not going to get all the way full on that one unless we get a billion more free spins. But having 3 fishes. Oh, here we go. We got at least 1. We're going to get any line? 1 line. Okay. Alright. I mean, we can just start hitting free spins on every spin. Big. Do a big. Do a big. Good, wizard. 16. I mean, it doesn't seem overly possible, but I suppose you never... Oh! Oh! Oh, that's pretty big. Come on. Do a big one here. Do a big one. Do a big one. Yes! We need another free spin. Oh, beautiful. What do we... 7 more fish and 2. Come on, do a big. Do a big. Oh. Oh. We need a free spin here, or we need to land a big fish on the end. Okay, we gotta land a big fish on the end, or get a free spin. Come on. Do a big, do a big, do a big, do a big. No, do another one. Do another one. No! We gotta get a free spin. All those spots and he picks the only one. You prick. Free spin, free spin. Damn it. Alright. Alright, that was still Print City. That was still Print City.